You can create UML object diagrams in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and the steps vary depending on whether you want a reusable diagram or one that stays on a single page. To build a reusable object diagram, click the plus icon next to a node and choose New Component Page. This creates a separate diagram item under that node. When the system asks for the diagram type, select Object Diagram. The editor will open with a blank canvas where you can add objects, object instances, links, and slots to represent the runtime structure of your system. You can construct the diagram manually by placing objects and connecting them to show how instances relate at a specific moment in time. If you prefer a quick starting point, you can use Create with AI to generate an initial draft. Just keep in mind that using AI will replace anything already on the canvas. Once the draft is generated, you can reorganize the objects, refine the links, and adjust the layout until it accurately reflects your system's runtime snapshot. When everything looks right, click Save. Then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your object diagram is now saved as a reusable asset that you can insert anywhere in your documentation. To place it on a page, open the page in Edit mode, click Insert, choose Diagram, and select Import Existing. Pick your object diagram, and it will appear instantly. If you only need the diagram on one page, you can also create it directly inside that page. While editing, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Object Diagram. The editor opens the same way, and you can build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting structure. You can always adjust the AI-generated result to match your intended runtime view. After you finish, save your work, close the editor, and the object diagram will be added to the page.